Today on Max Handy Gadgets, we're making a delicious, tender, juicy chuck-eye steak. And we're serving it with a delicious, cheesy broccoli casserole. So let's get started. Alright, and for the steak, we have an Angus chuck-eye steak. And it costs about $12.07 for two, right? And they're about, I don't know, half a pound each, right? Let me see if I can show you the tag there. Okay. Now all we got to do is get these out of the package and we'll season them up good. So let's do that. Alright, here's our nice looking chuck-eye steaks right out of the package. Now let's go ahead and season these up. We're going to use a little kosher salt. Okay, some pepper. Now this is to taste, guys. Some garlic powder. And a little bit of onion powder. Okay, let's pat that in. Alright, flip them over. We'll do the other side. Kosher salt. Some black pepper. Garlic powder. And some onion powder. And we'll pat them in. Boy, that looks good. Now you can do your edges too. Just go ahead and pat it on that cutting board, right? Alright, there you go. Boy, they look nice. Alright, now it's best to let the steaks rest for a little bit and let that salt do its magic, right? So we're going to put these aside and we're going to start making our delicious cheesy broccoli casserole. Alright, to make our cheesy broccoli casserole, we're starting off with some broccoli florets and we're going to boil them a little bit to tenderize them. Alright, now I like to put a few onions in our broccoli casserole, so we're going to put a few in. Okay. And today we're using our tri-ply stainless steel saucepan. It's a really nice pan. I'll put a link in the description for that. And we're going to cover it with the lid that comes with that pan. It has a nice, really nice vent hole. It's really a nice lid. Okay, let's see how we're doing. Alright, everything is looking pretty good. Our broccoli is definitely softening up. Perfect. Now we're going to take our secret ingredient. It's cream of celery soup. Now you can use cream of mushroom or anything else you want, but we're putting this in. Make sure you get all the good stuff out, right? Okay, and we'll mix that in. Now you can add a little water to that if you want, but this is really good. I like it a little thicker, right? Now if yours is too liquidy, you can always add a little bit of instant potatoes to it, right? Okay, there you go. That's done. Let's shut off our burner. And let's add a little bit of salt to taste, a little bit of pepper, some garlic powder, and let's stir that in. Wow guys, that's beautiful. Okay. Alright, our broccoli's all done, and boy does that smell good. Now all we have to do is plate it up. So let's go ahead and do that. Alright, let's bring in a nice single serving casserole dish, right? Now these are really a nice little dish, and you can put them in the oven, and that's what we're going to do. So I'll put a link in the description for these because they're really nice. Okay, let's go ahead and put our broccoli in there. Boy, does that smell good. Okay, now we're going to take a little extra sharp cheese, right? We're going to put that on there. That's a lot, but we're going to put most of that on there. Wow, that's going to be tasty. Alright, now I like to add just a little more pepper on top of there to taste, right? And we're going to put some Italian panko style breadcrumbs on top. Yep. I get enough one. Okay. Alright, now we're going to put that in a preheated 400 degree oven for about 15 to 20 minutes. And boy, is that going to be good. So let's do that. Alright, while our cheesy broccoli casserole is cooking, we're going to sear up our delicious chuck-eye steaks that we seasoned up. So let's do that. Alright, we have our large Lodge cast iron skillet, and we're going to set our burner to high. And we're going to let our pan get smoking hot. Alright, our pan's smoking hot. Now we're going to add a little peanut oil to the pan. And we're going to take our nicely seasoned chuck-eye steaks, and we're going to put them right in there. Now we're going to let them go for about a minute to 2 minutes on that side, and we'll flip them over. There's nothing like a nice sizzling steak and a cast iron frying pan. Boy, does that smell good too. Okay, let's see how we're doing, guys. Let's flip this over. That looks beautiful. Okay, let's get this one. Very nice. Alright, they're looking good. Okay, since these are a fairly thick steak, I like to do my edges, so we'll stand them up on the edge. And we'll try to do both at once, right? Okay, that looks pretty good. Okay, at this point, let's lower our burner temperature down to medium. And we'll go ahead and take a little butter, right? We'll put that in there. And a little bit of salt. A little bit of pepper to taste. Some garlic powder. And a little bit of onion powder. And some rosemary. Okay, let's go ahead and melt our butter. Let's lift up our pan a little bit in here and we'll baste them. Okay, that looks good. Wow. Alright. Let's flip that over and we'll do the other side. Let's go ahead and baste this side. Alright, that looks really good, guys. Alright, let's flip them back. Nice. Alright, we use a meat thermometer here, and it's 130 degrees. Perfect. Okay, they're done. Let's go ahead and get them out of there, and we'll put them on a cutting board, and we'll let them rest. There they are, guys. Look at that. Don't they look good? Let's go ahead and put them aside for a minute, and we'll get ready to put them right beside our delicious cheesy broccoli casserole. So let's do that. Alright, here's our delicious looking chuck-eye steak. Boy, don't they look good. Now hopefully they're really tender and juicy, and they look juicy, and I can't wait to slice this up and see how they look inside. So let's do that. Okay, let's go ahead and slice this one. Oh yes, guys. Boy, are they tender, and it's beautifully pink in there. They're very tender. Very tender, guys. Really nice. Let me skid this out of the way a little bit and I'll get into a nice piece here. Wow. Okay. Beautiful. Okay, let's check this one out. See how this one is? Same thing, guys. Beautiful. Can you see them? Beautifully tender. Okay, let's see if we can get a nice piece off of here. Alright. They're really good. Okay. Boy, do they look good. Alright, let's go ahead and put them on a serving plate right next to our delicious cheesy broccoli casserole, right? Okay, let's bring in a nice serving plate. Alright, here's our delicious looking chuck-eye steak. We plated it up nicely. Boy, doesn't that look good. And here's our delicious cheesy broccoli casserole. And we're going to put that right beside our steak, just like this. Wow, that's hot, guys. Alright, that's going to taste good. And that's going to taste good. And I can't wait to have a taste of that steak. So, let's get into a bite. Okay, let's just grab a piece down here. Boy, is that tender. Alright. Look at this, guys. That's definitely tender. And look at that crust on there. It's beautiful. Beautiful. And that fat is crispy. That's what's good. Alright, let me go ahead and have a bite of this. Can you see it? Yep. Okay. Alright, let me go ahead and have a taste of this because I can't wait any longer. Wow, guys, that is tender, and boy, is that juicy. You're going to love this. Those chuck-eye steaks are really, really good, and you don't have to cook two of them, you know. This is like 2 servings right here, right? And so is this. You know, you can feed 2 people. Alright, let's try some of our cheesy broccoli casserole, right? This is hot, so let's see if we can get a nice piece. Look at this, guys. That's a big chunk. Look at him sliding off there. Alright, let me have a bite. See how it is. Beautiful. Boy, is that tasty. And it's hot. Yep. Make sure you let it cool down a little bit before you take a bite. Alright, you know what to go good with this, since we're having this for a delicious dinner? You probably guessed this one. We're having a nice chilled glass of red wine with this one. And that does sound good. Alright, if you're enjoying these videos, go ahead and like and subscribe, and I'll catch you on the next one. A delicious chuck-eye steak, and we served it with a cheesy broccoli casserole. You can't beat that right there. Boy, is that tasty. Yep, I just have to have another little taste of that steak. Boy, is that delicious looking. Alright, let me have another little bite. Is that good? Catch you on the next one.